Another beautiful day in paradise. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit notifications, because we do 8 videos a week. We do a ton of content. I think we got almost 15 or 1600 videos now, so things are going well. Things are busy. So we've been working on the Maverick. We've been making it faster. I said I wasn't going to do anything to it, but you know, and then you get companies sending you stuff and they're like, make it faster. I'm like, okay, I'll do what you say. So I was on the dirt bike the other day. I had a bit of a tumble. I hurt myself, but I'm not bad. So, and I've seemed to beat up my front suspension a little bit. As you can see, my seals are pretty much gone. Basically over time with suspension, you know, the seals do wear out and you got to replace them and stuff. So especially aftermarket suspension. And mine is made for racing, and I use it on the freestyle jump. I use it for the trail, and I use it for the track. So obviously it's going to wear out a lot quicker than normal suspension would, but MP1 does an amazing job with my suspension. So, you know, going from stock to what they put in it is just night and day. So I don't know how many hours I have on this, but it's definitely earned it. So anyways, I'm going to take it in. Actually, I'm going to take it up to the farm next week up in Detour Village there, and I'm going to rip with it. This should last till then, I think. I hope so. And then I'm going to take it back in and have the suspension rebuilt after that. But for today, I'm just going to take her for a spin. I'm trying to bang out a ton of videos before I go off grid next week. So yeah, we did the Maverick video yesterday. It is super fast now. It's 200 horsepower. And we got the blow-off valve, we got the light bar on, and still waiting for the rims and tires, but hoping this week. So then I'm going to burn the stock tires off. They're good tires, but definitely with all this power now, they're not going to last long. So anyways, let's fire up the 450. We'll go out and they just took the wheat off that field over there, so there's a bunch of straw bales out there. So we'll do some wheelies around those and check it out and see if we can crush this front suspension. Get rid of it. No one wants it. What do you guys think about my wrap? Should I update it this year? Or should I just keep it like this? I kind of like it like this. I haven't been riding too much, so I haven't really worn it out yet, but yeah, I don't know. Let's do this. Just a beauty day out here. Yeah, they did this field in a few hours and they had her bailed right after that night. They don't screw around, they do her quick here. So a couple shorts and t-shirt wheelies for the boys. I'm gonna rip a few more, then lock her up for the night. Head to town, go get my hair cut, do all that fun stuff. This is the Whiz Mount backpack I use, if you guys are wondering. I don't know if they sell them anymore, but it's like a GoPro backpack type deal. So, oh, that's tiring. It's a lot of work. So nice out today though. If you guys aren't outside, I suggest you finish this video and get outside and go enjoy that weather. Because you never know how long it's gonna last. You never know how long it's gonna last. Good rain for the next week, could snow. You never really know, it's Canada. I've seen weirder shit happen. But yeah. Whew, I'm out of breath. That was a good little session. Anyways, let's get back on the bike, do a few more wheelies, and see what other trouble we can cause. Oh, we got that mud. We got that mud. Oh, try to throw it outside, hit the wall. Oh, all right, what's going on, guys? That was a perfect little rip. I just wanted to get something out of the way, get a quick video out of the way, because I don't know what's going to happen this week. I have so much going on, so much planned, but my plans end up being over here and over here and over here. Nothing actually goes the way it's planned, so that's the life of a YouTuber. It's not a 9-to-5 job, that's for sure. It's definitely like you know, 16-hour day job between the emails and the editing, and everyone's like, oh, you have it so easy. I'm like, well, yeah, we do. We have a lot of fun, but it's a lot more work than you guys see, that's for sure. So anyways, we're gonna wrap her up for now. It is hot. I'm going to get my hair cut because as I was saying before, I'm heading out for a week down to Amber's farm there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for videos, I gotta get the quad out soon. I know we've been so busy with the car stuff, right? But hoping to get out and do more variety soon. So yeah, hopefully I can get the quad out soon, maybe take it to the track and spin a few easy laps on it and get another goon riding video going. We're due for a goon riding, guys. So thank you again. As always, you guys are amazing. I hope you're enjoying this video, and then I hope you're gonna go outside and enjoy this beautiful weather. Leave some nice comments, ask some questions. I'll answer them in Toby Tuesday. As you know, a lot of you guys don't watch Toby Tuesday, but a lot do. So if you do ask a question in the comments on all the videos or on any videos, I pick through them and I answer them on Toby Tuesday. So if you see a Toby Tuesday video, go watch it, and maybe I give you a shout out and answer your questions. So anyways, check out the links below as per usual. Follow the team. Everyone's Instagrams are there too, so everyone that's in the video. So anyways, have a fantastic night. We'll see you guys later.